But right now I'm just moving like by milestones, like by nearest places that I have.
Yeah. So what's next?
Next I'm thinking to go to maybe Latham. Latham is a little far.
Yeah.
So I need like a 2 days thing. Yeah.
Yeah. Amazing. Well, it's nice to meet you.
Yeah,
Guys,
thank you,
check them
thank
out.
you.
Hit that subscribe.
Thank you. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today we are here at the Everest Cricket Stadium in Georgetown near the Kingston Sea Wall for the concert that is happening over here. And I don't know if this is the 4th time this is happening. Smile, that's the concert which is being held over here by 5 or 6 different DJs. So I'm gonna show you what's happening over here, and the best part of this concert is it's free. So you don't have to pay anything to enter over here inside. It's free of course. So shout out to the sponsors of this concert, and I'll show you what's going on in around, okay? Come join with me. Guys, so here we are where this Smile concert is going to happen, and I'm in this stadium right now. Let me show you what's going on around. This is how it is right now. Stadium is this. Here is the concert going to be happening. So guys, the party has almost started. The time right now is like 7 o'clock. It rained once, and after the rain, the music is back again, you could see. Right here standing. Now I'll go and have a drink maybe in some time. When it's more busy right now, it's less people. Yeah, Mike. Let me show you what's going on around.
Anybody by the bar wants a tequila and anything? Tequila and anything? It's early, but guess what? Tonight?
Everything is going good till now.
Tonight, we are overdoing it. Love the style, I'm make all one from my mind. Love the style, me squeeze your breast, them wet. My motto. Me don't love man, so don't love me. You're easy like don't rain me. Me don't take the gal out halfway tree. We are overdoing it. Who's drinking? Who's drinking? Who's drinking? Who's drinking? I wanna say the signature, cause the trees, cause I am falling, requirements that you need, my rest of me. Flawless, suitable, diverse, reliable. If you're higher rate, I just want someone to walk. Boss lady, I come for this one. I come for this one. In the zone. Some man, he does not. I forgot, so sorry, guy. This man don't cheat, so the man doesn't know. Gentlemen, with all due respect, on the station. Yo! Big up to everybody out here one time, ladies and gentlemen. Make some noise for DJ Mason and Barry Hyde. Not just Allison Hyde's DJ, but Barry is Ruby's DJ. Yeah, Guyana is. Yo, ladies and gentlemen, I go by the name of Spaniard, my DJ Rhythm. DJ Rhythm Master, we represent Antigua and Barbuda. Welcome to Smile. This is a happy party. This is a party of happiness. Like Barry said, touch your friend, cheers to your friend. Cheers to your friend. Ladies, if your girlfriend looking good right now, say clock it. Alright, that's what's up. Look at your girlfriend right now, ladies. Look at your girlfriend right now and say, hey, you don't look good. Just say, you don't look good. You look great. Hey. Anybody on their second drink? If you're on your second drink, raise your hand. You should be on your third or fourth drink by now. Anybody on their second drink? On the third drink? Anybody on the... Who on the third drink? If you're on the third drink right now, raise your glass in the sky. Raise your glass. Jeez. I ain't gonna lie, boy. I have to smile, cause from a walk you must see big girl, so I can really smile. Nevertheless, I came to party with you guys, so you guys can party with me. I'm not so ugly, so you can just bring up the tables then. Yeah, just come forward. We ain't ugly people. I am not ugly, you are not ugly. So bring up the tables, just come forward a little bit because I came to party with you guys here in Guyana. Rhythm, launch it up like this. Nice and easy.
You love the life you live. Everything you have in my job will give.
Guyana, here we go. Everybody come down. We came to party tonight. Anybody been listening to reggae music for more than...
So guys, Guyanese hospitality is the best. Got our first rum from our buddy that we met before. Okay, so this is our first track. Cheers to my buddy. That's it. That's how we get. It's so hard. So fucking hard.
You smoke a high grade.
Guys, let me show you. So, mission successful, guys. We had the drink. I told you guys. The Guyanese hospitality is going to be different. We're going to get it, guys. I told you. Here we go.
Down the mercy. Hey, down on this mercy. Somebody driver. From this orange one around the Albemarle. Driver. Don't even eat. I let the little food there, young. Let's get. Just got some more table. 5,000 per table, alright? Yeah.
You are tricky, you're not in my category.
This is fun. There's a big
I
glass of
told you
Tony.
we are going to drink for free. First pack, guys. That we got from here.
Anybody here over the age of 20? Anybody over the age of 30? Anybody over the age of 40?
No.
When you hear the next song, you're supposed to know that your mother seasoned chicken to them song on a Sunday morning. Really bedroom. When you talk about Mexicans with berries, you can start to get on
Just my way out.
Yo! Baby girl! I don't know the time of
Baby, just your perfume. If you want me so much.
hold on!
Lord of mercy.
To the bottom, everybody knows about
Now I any lover when me want to forget it. Any lover when me want to forget it.
Back is so strong. So we are going home a little drunk. I told you the Guyanese hospitality is the best. This guy, I saw this guy in the national park. When I was making the manatee vlog, and he offered, and I just asked him how much was the drink, how much was for the bottle that you buy, and he told me it was 15,000, and he gave me one of his. He said, "Do you want a drink?" I said, "Yes, why not?" And he offered me a drink like at least $1,000 pack. more than 1,000, like 10 US over here. That's why I tell you guys, the Guyanese hospitality is the best. I knew I'm gonna get this. Although that we are not so much big right now, that we will be getting sponsorship. So we still try getting some sponsorship, right? No sponsorship, but sponsorship from our family, right?
Everybody sing with your friend. Point to your friend and sing. Ladies, if he cheats on you, you cheat back on him blood clot. Cheat back too. Why?
Him and dance as him like, drumming as him like, chat back phone with girl all night.
Ladies, you deserve better. This is 2026. Been represented for Guyana inside and on the outside, alright? He's been doing a great job. Big it up to everybody out here with a real friend right now. But if you're red Tony right now, raise a glass of Tony right now. Everybody raise a glass of Mixmaster Tony right now. Say what?
Family,
Somebody say.
I need some family. If I want to meet a friend killer, you don't believe in a friend killer.
Say what?
I need some family. You know if I'm on them to me hard, you will be one of them. Kill each other to the end, they from me start.
That's the truth.
I didn't know when we are right, she's sad. And the man go to guys from shop. And then the know when we are get chased by constant knock and the unranger.
Somebody.
And all the woman making now.
What you say?
No trouble feel. And we know all of the pussy them.
I don't want to say the busman and taxi man them.
Yep.
I don't want to call out the name. But you know what house you came through. Pick up the immigration officer that irritated me before I came to the airport. Pick up yourself. But the only reason I did not slap you in your face is because I did stuff like this.
We celebrate this morning. One bag of chanting. Firm and chanting. Blessing us to full life mountain. This morning.
Just smile.
One bag of chanting.
Everybody say.
We are ready. One before we bump. Many things we can do without. Anything we want. Just make it start. I feel work. Sun a shine till the place dark. Call out. Well, them a talk about.
Put your cups in the sky right now. Everybody see it.
Defend them all out. Tell a one, tell a child, tell a sign. Wish a man knows that we higher
So guys, final conclusion is, if there is a concert like this happening again, I'm coming back, okay? Don't say me why. I just have to come back to be in this party
Ladies, what you say?
and chill. And this was a nice party, I wouldn't regret. So if you get a chance to come over here, when it's Smiles free concert, come for it. Free. I'm just gonna promote it for free without any cost. Guys,
When I hold, shot. When I hold, fucking machine, I know washing machine.
Watch it.
Machine, I know washing machine.
watch how it's going. Watch it.
When I hold, fucking machine, I know washing
Everyone over here is chilling, guys. You could see, right? So overall it was a nice, very nice day. I loved it. And we'll be next showing you what happens in the next video, on the next vlog when I go on Saturday or somewhere, okay? Till then, keep on subscribing. You need to subscribe, guys, to be joining these vlogs, okay? As I told you, Guyanese people are beautiful. We got a drink in this concert for free, and we're just chilling right now. Everything is blessed. God is great. Till the time you could enjoy the concert. 3 DJs in total. total, guys. 3 DJs in total are performing here. 3 or 5 for free. No tickets, nothing, free. See the population. See the number of people out here. Nice, right? Bro, I know you sponsored this concert, right? I want you to tell something on the camera.
Listen, I am so thankful for everybody that came out tonight. I did not expect this. I hope you have fun.
So we got the interview from this main guy who sponsored this concert, guys. So you know now what we're doing. Who are we with, right? From the main guy who sponsored this concert. It's good. Life is good. We're gonna have a lot of fun, guys. Yo!
Ladies, the man who gave you the best sex just walked out of your house. What's the first thing you gotta tell him?
At Christmas list in Georgetown. That's why we say,
We got help.
yeah, we got help, and we are here under the shade.
Yes.
Christmas list. What would
What's
you like
happening?
to say about your visit now?
Man, I love it. Hello. You see the love I get here? It feels incredible.
Yeah, we're
I'm
happy.
honored.
We're happy to see you
I
here.
got to pinch myself sometimes.
Yeah, no.
No, I
We
love
will
Guyana.
protect you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for coming here.
No, but
okay?
tell me more. Tell me more.
Yeah.
Tell me what do you do? What do you normally vlog?
I normally vlog around Georgetown, so I have been like vlogging around the Guyana, whole of Guyana. My mission is to complete whole of South America.
Wouldn't
But
that be
right now,
incredible?
but right now I'm just moving like by milestones, like by nearest places that I have.
Yeah. So what's next?
Next, I'm thinking to go to maybe Latham. Latham is a little far,
Yeah.
so I need like a 2 days thing. Yeah.
Yeah. Amazing. Well, it's nice to meet you.
Yeah,
Guys,
thank you,
check them
thank
out.
you.
Hit that subscribe.
Thank you so.